Hi folks, I'm Rohin from Varotech and welcome to this video on how to make my small business cyber secure. In this fifth and final part, we'll be looking at training your team as the next step of your cybersecurity strategy. If you'd like more information on avoiding phishing attacks, then drop a thumbs up in the comments below. Phishing attacks typically use social engineering to target the weakest link in cybersecurity defenses, the human. With phishing attacks becoming more and more sophisticated, it is crucial that team members are trained on how to spot them. Here are 3 tips to help spot potential threats. Firstly, check things like spelling and grammar. As most phishing attempts originate from overseas, the spelling and grammar may be poor. This is usually an indicator of a phishing email. Secondly, check the email of the sender as to whether it looks legitimate. For example, any emails from Microsoft will originate from an email address ending in @microsoft.com. Phishing emails tend to originate from public email domains such as Gmail or Hotmail. Thirdly, any email that asks you to act quickly or urgently could be an indication of a phishing email. Be wary of an email that requires you, for example, to click a link to unlock your account. Requesting that someone acts now tends to put the brain into fight or flight and shuts down logical thinking. As attackers become more polished and high-tech in their approach, investing in consistent team training will make it harder for phishing attacks to fool your team. Add to that testing with simulating phishing attacks, and you will have a human security layer that will bolster your cybersecurity. Thanks for watching this part 5 on how to make my small business cyber secure. Please do like, share, and tag someone in the comments who would find this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.